Hi there guys, I'm Jerry and I was actually just sent this Blackstone caddy. Now I myself don't have a Blackstone, but I'm kind of excited because this will work on pretty much any grill. It comes with a nice powder coated metal container that can hold up to 25 pounds. It seems very sturdy, was packaged really well in the box. What makes this so versatile are these two pieces here that are adjustable latches that can adjust up or down to clamp onto any side of any surface or a deck. If you didn't have a grill or wanted to attach this onto a deck, it actually comes with hardware in this bag that has screws as well as some anchors that you could put that into a wooden surface and hang this directly on there. It also comes with a couple accessories as well. It's a large hook here for the side that you can put a lot of things on there, and it just fits right on the side like that. And then it also comes with this little thin holder here that you can attach on the front or the back side of this as well. It also comes with 6 of these J-hooks. Let's go hook it up on the grill. I'll show you what I'm talking about. On our particular grill, it's got a wider edge, but I did find a lip on the side here. So you actually can just line this up and kind of get it loose on there like that. We're going to do the same thing with this one here and get it cranked down and make sure I get it lined up where I can hook it in the back of this. It'll hook in these holes on the back side of this. Just like that, and then I can go ahead and tighten it down to where it's not going to go anywhere. And then we can just kind of accessorize it with all the other little pieces that are here. A little piece on the front can hold things like spatulas and things like that. This little part on the side here can go on the front or the back and actually can hold paper towels, which is great if you're out here working. You of course got your little J-hooks that you can put on anywhere you want on the side, on the front. You can use those to hang pieces of equipment, cleaning brushes and things like that. So look at there. Now we're ready to grill. All in all, really cool deal. Really like it a lot. It would work great for a Blackstone. Works great for me.